Tasks are how GrowTrack helps you manage the day-to-day reality of gardening. They're not generic reminders. They are meaningful prompts based on your garden. GrowTrack creates tasks by watching what is planted, where it is planted, and at what stage each crop is at. If a task appears, it is tied to something specific in your garden. That might be sowing, watering, feeding, checking growth, or preparing for harvest. Tasks are designed to reduce mental load, not create pressure. You stay in control. You can also add your own tasks. Gardening always includes jobs that systems cannot predict. Fixing a fence, turning compost, tidying paths, preparing an area for planting. GrowTrack allows you to add these tasks so everything lives in one place. You can add tasks manually in the app. You can also add a task by voice using Rowan. If you have Rowan connected through WhatsApp, you can simply speak. Tell Rowan what needs doing. Rowan will record the task for you. This makes task capture fast and natural, even when your hands are dirty. Rowan also works the other way around. You can ask Rowan a simple question. What task should I be doing in the garden today? Rowan does not respond with generic advice. Rowan looks at your gardens, your beds, your plantings, your season, your recent activity. Then Rowan suggests tasks that actually make sense for your garden right now. This turns GrowTrack into a daily companion rather than a checklist. When you complete a task, you're not just ticking it off, you're giving GrowTrack feedback. That feedback improves future task timing. It refines suggestions. It makes Rowan smarter about how your garden behaves. If a task does not apply, you can ignore it. Real gardens do not follow perfect schedules. GrowTrack is built to flex around that. Task works best when they are used lightly. Check them. Act when it makes sense. Move on with your day. They exist to support your garden, not control it. In the next video, we will look at weather alerts and explain how GrowTrack helps you respond to changing conditions.